Hi, I'm Mike Tenney, head of school here at the Tenney School. Thank you for taking a few minutes to explore what makes our school truly different. We know choosing a school is one of the most important decisions your family will make. Let's take a quick look inside. At the heart of our program is one-to-one instruction. Every student spends a third of their day in a private learning session with a teacher. This format helps us tailor every course, English, math, science, and history, to fit the student's pace, strengths, and needs. We also offer honors and AP courses, as well as English language learner support for international students. No two students are the same, and neither are their classes. Another third of the day is spent in classroom, labs, and electives. Students explore a wide range of interests, from art and music to foreign language, PE, programming, and more. Our lab sessions reinforce core subjects in a collaborative setting, giving students time to experiment, problem solve, and share ideas with peers. The final third of the day is homeroom, a focused time for completing homework, studying, organizing, or getting extra help. This built-in study time empowers students to manage their workload and leaves more time for family, rest, and extracurriculars. While we're a small school, we offer a big sense of community. Student-led clubs like Gaming Club, Spanish Club, and Art Club create fun, low-pressure opportunities for students to build friendships and explore hobbies. Now, you may be wondering, does it work? Absolutely. We've always seen the impact on students' confidence, focus, and stress levels, but last year we saw this in the numbers too. Our students on average improved 9.6 percentile points on nationally normed tests from fall to spring. That's real measurable growth, and a strong sign that this model works. At the Tenney School, we don't just talk about personalized learning, we live it. We even created a video series called How Learning Works to help parents and students understand the science behind great learning. This series reflects the exact philosophy we use here every day. Shorter, more focused class periods, a later start time, one-to-one instruction tailored to the student, and teaching techniques rooted in cognitive science and educational research. You can find the series on our YouTube channel or ask us about it during your visit. It's a great window into how and why we do what we do. The Tenney School has a strong track record of preparing students for success after graduation. In the class of 2025, students were accepted to a wide range of schools, from global campuses to specialized programs. This year's graduates will attend Colorado School of Mines, Franklin and Marshall College, Temple University, Japan campus, Baylor, and the University of Houston, to name a few. You can find a full list of our college acceptances over the past decade by clicking the link in the video description. We also offer Tenney School Live, our online school built on the same teachers and curriculum. Plus, our Tenney Tutors program provides one-to-one tutoring for both Tenney students and students from other schools. Whether in person or online, we're committed to helping students grow. We'd love to meet you and show you more about how our model can help your student thrive. Click the link below to schedule your private tour. We think you'll be impressed.